Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but it was sent by my friend Corey, who has sent at least one other knife to the channel. So I appreciate this, Corey. We're going to find out what it is together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's see what we have here. And one other side here. There we go. Don't cut towards yourself. Do we have, I don't know, something that's made in the United States? Let's, I need to get this note out here. There you go. Take a look at these peanuts here for a second. Carry, use, and disassemble as needed. Thank you very much. Let's make sure and show his Instagram. That's going to be Mr. Messiers 89 on Instagram. Mr. Messiers, here you go. Make sure to follow him. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Okay, Boker Plus. What do we have here? Oh, it's the little... Finally, I've been wanting to get... This is the USB. Is that what this is? Oh, that's... That's cool. Look, okay, I'm gonna link this guy right down in the description. You can absolutely get this knife right now. This is really, is this really made in the United States? I mean, it's this. Hold on. Yeah, I mean it's fitted for this, and it says made in U.S. Okay, I didn't know that. That's interesting. Got a little reverb there, but that's okay. I love face switch OTFs, and I also like little OTFs if they work and they don't feel sloppy. So right off the bat, blade play, it's more minimal than I thought it was going to be. In fact, it's pretty decent. Looks like the edge, oh, he might have done something with this. A little bit of a smile there on the back, a little bit wider on the back than it is the front, but this is a D2 OTF face switch. Pretty neat. Sorry, I'm hearing the little Roomba thing upstairs bumping into stuff. Yeah, so the idea of a little, now obviously, a lot of people are going to point this out right away. Why would anyone ever need such a tiny OTF? I can't do anything with a tiny knife because big knife capable and small knife, useless, right? Okay. There are a lot of people, including myself, who definitely enjoy carrying smaller OTFs. Now, this one doesn't have a pocket clip. I did not know that. That's kind of a, right? But there are definitely people who enjoy carrying smaller, just less obtrusive knives in their pockets, right? Maybe they've got a lot of stuff in their pockets, or if they're wearing fitted pants to work or something like that, they work in an office where they don't really want, the Cold Steel Espada XL getting swung out for Karen's bag of pretzels at the front desk. And there are also people who want to carry OTF or automatic knives and are limited because of their state laws, to a certain blade length. Now this one, considering that's got to be like a 1.75 inch blade. Let's find out. Yeah, almost exactly 1.75 inches, 4.75 inches overall. Yeah, so that should be Cali legal. Obviously, check your laws because I'm not I can't give legal advice. But this is interesting. I'm excited to talk about this. I think that we just don't have enough of these automatic knives out there that are legal for more people, and so I'm really excited to see other companies tackling this because it's people who are restricted, who live in areas with these restrictions, really it sucks because these are tools, right? They're the people who are buying these things are not buying them with malicious intent, right? This is just a tool of convenience. You can easily, let's see, you can easily retract it with your index finger. I was going to say it would be really neat if I could, there we go. Yeah, you can definitely, if you push hard enough, you can definitely push it with your index finger, right? But thumb deployment in and out, yeah, no problem. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Like I said, I think there are a few different variations of this knife available. It's neat, even as just like a, for me, this would be something that I would just keep on my desk just as a convenient little fun letter opener, right? No idea what it costs. This is not a review. This is an unboxing and first impressions. The full comprehensive review will come 3-4 weeks from now, something like that. Sometimes 2 weeks. It just depends on when I do it and what the schedule looks like. But yeah, you can absolutely expect a, I can see why they call it the USB. It literally looks like a USB stick. You can definitely expect a full review on this guy. Thank you so much to Corey once again for sending this in for review. That's going to be pretty much it. Make sure you check out the links in the description. When you use my links, it absolutely supports the channel. You will not pay anything more, but I would appreciate it if you use those. If not, that's okay. It's your choice. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.